to the Quarantine Cooking Show. I'm Lila, and today we are making a special St. Patrick's Day recipe. We're going to be making corned beef, and of course I had to invite the fantastic Chef Rich Reeve from Bia in Rhinebeck because he knows everything about Irish cuisine. So tell us a little bit about what we're going to be making today.
We're gonna make some corned beef. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna simmer this corned beef for about 3 hours, three and a half hours. And what we've got to do is make the broth to simmer in. So we have some beef stock, some mirepoix, some garlic, carrots, and onions. We have some pickling spice, bay leaves, some coarse salt, and coarse black pepper. And lower in your brisket. You want to make sure it is completely covered. You want to simmer this for about three and a half hours.
Okay, so now that this is simmered, we've let it rest a little bit, and I'm gonna brush on this nice glaze before we pop it in the oven. This has got some reduced cider, some of Coleman's dried mustard, and some honey. And we're gonna put it in the oven about 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, just to let some of the fat render off. For our sides, we have some traditional boiled red potatoes and some sauteed cabbage. We've also made a parsley sauce with sour cream and horseradish. Now that our corned beef has roasted in the oven for about 15 minutes, it's time to carve it. So I'm going to start with pieces about 1 inch thick, and I'm going to be cutting against the grain of the meat. And I'm just going to sort of gently pile it onto my plate here. You can see it's nice and tender, so it's falling apart nicely. Okay, so now that the meat is all cut, I'm just going to add the rest of my glaze on here just to get in everywhere and make sure that we've got that nice delicious flavor throughout all of the pieces. Thank you so much for watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone.